Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd give you a quick update where we are at this point on project LS-10. I've got it down here in the garage. Got the drive shaft, the transmission out of it. Got it on 4 rolling tires and wheels instead of flats. Engine compartment I have sprayed and cleaned up a little. There's a long way to go. Most of those wires, for anybody that's done one of the swaps, you know, is not going to be used or needed. Haven't ordered any parts for it yet as far as grill, or there's no use in worrying about any of that stuff. The whole doghouse, the whole front's going to come off of it. So we can have plenty of room to clean and work. The hood, everything's coming out of there. We have started working on the interior a little bit, cleaning. Let me get this open here. Got a bunch of the junk out of it. Of course, there's a long way to go. I'll replace that dash with maybe the same model. A little different one. We're going to use aftermarket gauges and stuff. We're not even going to try to use the factory S10 stuff. Seat and everything will have to be reupholstered, refinished, get rid of that. I don't know if I'll go carpet or matte. Probably go carpet and sound deadener all over to kind of help that issue, because it will be a little loud. Moving on around, like I said, got it on 4 rolling tires and wheels. All this stuff in the bed, that's a good fender I got off of my parts truck up there. All this stuff has got to go. Engine, it leaves no good. It's going to in the scrap metal pile to go to the salvage yard. Take the tail lights out. Probably run a roll pan. Just want to show you where we're at. We've got a driver's door on it. I bought a parts S10 a couple weeks after I bought this thing, and it had a, it's got a little ding or two, but it's got a good driver's door, had a good passenger door and good fenders, so we're going to go with that. Here again on the driver's side. Got a drain hole down there, which ain't exactly supposed to be there, but I'm going to rip the mat out of it probably next and see what all interior parts on as far as the cab. We're going to set the cab off the frame. This thing will come completely apart before we, are finished with it. We'll have the cab off the frame, paint everything, redo the suspension completely. But all this is going to come after the 68 C10 I'm working on, which this is March the 10th, I believe today is, so hopefully we're in another month or two. We'll have another month anyway, we'll have the 68 ready to start. But I just want to show you where we was at on this thing. All in all, it's not too bad a body. Like I say, the front bumper, the front grille and all that's got to go. The hood's in good shape. I will replace this fender right here. That door's got a little ding in it, but much better than the one I had on there that was packed plumb full of Bondo. But anyway, that's where we are. I wanted to give you a quick update. Didn't want to wait too long in between. Unfortunately, probably the next thing that this truck will see is when warm weather hits, I'll get it down there and pressure wash all under the cab, all under the hood, all down in there around that before I start trying to take it apart. I'll raise the front of it up with a tractor, the lift or whatever, and try to pressure wash and clean everything I can. I despise trying to work on something with grease on it. Anyway, there it is, Project LS-10. Not sure exactly when I'm going to have it ready to run, but I'm focusing on the 68 right now. Quick update video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'll leave some links throughout this one if I haven't already done it. You'll see some video links right up here in this corner, maybe down here in this other corner. Anyway, have a good day. God bless. See you on the next one.